Imagine sitting down to work and 2 hours later realizing you finished something that used to take 2 days. No procrastination, no checking your phone, no hype motivation, just calm, focused execution. That level of productivity feels illegal, but it doesn't come from willpower. It comes from something better. Today we're breaking down how highly productive people design their lives, so work almost does itself. We've been sold the idea that productivity is about discipline. Just try harder. Just push more. But if discipline worked, we'd all be unstoppable by now. The truth is productivity isn't about forcing yourself to behave better. It's about designing systems that make the wrong choice harder than the right one. Your phone isn't neutral. It's engineered to hijack your attention. So productive people don't rely on self-control. They make distraction unattractive. Social apps hidden, screen limits set, colors removed. When stimulation drops, focus rises automatically. You don't rise to motivation. You fall to your environment. Most people lose the day before breakfast by reaching for their phone. Highly productive people do the opposite. No phone. Water first. Light movement. Then one short planning ritual. This tells the brain, today isn't reactive, it's intentional. Momentum starts before motivation ever shows up. Real productivity doesn't live in multitasking or busy work. It lives in deep, uninterrupted focus. One task, one timer, no egg seats. When you work in focus blocks, output multiplies. This is where average effort produces extreme results. Your brain loves patterns. Same chair, same music, same signal. Do this consistently, and your mind drops into focus automatically. You're not forcing productivity, you're conditioning it. Motivation becomes optional because focus is now reflexive. The brain hates invisible progress. That's why streaks work. Points, levels, visual proof you're moving forward. Productive people don't wait to feel productive. They track it. Momentum comes from seeing progress stack. Here's the paradox. You don't need more time. You need more energy. Sleep, movement, nutrition, mental clarity. No energy means no focus. No focus means no results. Productivity isn't a time problem. It's an energy management problem. Multitasking feels productive, but it's just attention switching. Every switch drains mental energy. Productive people theme their days instead. One mode per day. Fewer decisions. Less friction. More execution. If you feel scattered, unmotivated, or behind, it's not because you're broken. You've just been using tools that don't match how your brain works. Once you build the right systems, productivity becomes calm, consistent, and honestly a little intimidating to people watching from the outside. If you already do any of these, drop a brain emoji in the comment and let me know of your ways of being productive.